Sagittarius, welcome to Majesticas Tarot, and if you've been here before, welcome back. These are full moon messages, 27th through the 30th of August. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Not every Sagittarius is doing the same thing. So we're going to start out with some Moonology cards. Get some messages, then we'll dive into your energy, see what's going on with you. If another energy pops up, remember roles can be reversed and time is fluid. So keep that in mind. This will be for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Are y'all ready? Let's go. Spirit guides, ancestors, what do we have for Sagittarius? The 27th through the 30th of August. What messages do we have? Your dreams need a practical plan. You could be overanalyzing something that you want to do. You need to simplify it. I'm not doing this. What other messages do we have for Sagittarius? Alrighty then. A time to give rather than to take. And we have be bold and make the first move. Work through your fears. Spirit guides, ancestors, what do we have for Sagittarius? What's going on with Sagittarius? Tell me more. Yeah. You could be feeling empty inside. Something's blocking something. Something's blocking something. Tell me one more. I think you're trying to, I don't think you're feeling yourself. Like something's blocking, or something could be smothering you. Or maybe you're smothering yourself. I'm not sure. Okay. I feel like you're being blocked. So, and because of that, you're overdoing something, basically. I think you go back and forth. You're conflicted, or do I have this? I'm conflicted, do I have this? Like you're torn in between something. Like you feel very confident about it, and then you don't, and you just give up on something. It's like there's a mental block. Bottom of the deck is the Strength. You're holding back from something. I think there's something, like you're trying to figure something out. And it's not working. And you're very conflicted over it. We'll have to clarify. Spirit guides, ancestors, what other energy do we have for Sagittarius? The Emperor could be dealing with an Aries. Tell me more. You could have gave something up in order to feel more confident about yourself because something was blocking you before and you weren't feeling confident about it. Yeah, it was too overwhelming, and it was making you like conflicted in your head, like you couldn't figure something out. You couldn't be yourself. You couldn't evolve. You couldn't be yourself. I mean, you tried and but it just never worked out. So you just gave up on something in order to be who you are, confident, thriving, continuing to evolve. And something was stopping you. Now down here, there's somebody here that they're stuck. They're very combative. Very combative. They're very defensive. I guess when it comes to you, but when it comes to money, I don't know. This person needs financial help, and they've reached out to they need financial help. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Pentacles. This person's very greedy. This is the person you gave up on. Were they stepping on you to get up in life, stepping on you? Like, people will like energetically step on you, push you down as they're trying to get up. Is that what was happening? Let's clarify. Spirit guides, ancestors, please help me clarify the Ace of Cups and the Empress in the reverse. Yeah, you definitely was like, I'm out of here. You became emotionally unavailable to this person, and you started isolating yourself from this person because you realized that they were the ones that were blocking you from your success, from whatever it was you were trying to get. I mean, it could be just a hold of your life for that matter. So this person could have tried to come talk to you after you gave up, and you're like, no, I'm good. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. That's what I'm hearing. Get out of my way. You no longer wanted to emotionally depend on this person anymore. You wanted to be free. Because you couldn't be who you were, who you are. You couldn't be the Queen of Wands here. You couldn't be who you couldn't. You wanted to be free from this person. Tell me about the Five of Swords and the Two of Wands. Yeah, you definitely cut this person out of your life. You're like, this party is over. I am not going to sit here and argue with you. I'm not going to sit here and be crazy with you. I'm not doing any of that. I'm not doing any of it. I should have never even done it in the first place. Bottom of the deck is the Lovers in the reverse. You don't align with this person. And you've made the decision not to keep continuing with this person. So let's clarify. Tell me about the Emperor and the Hangman. You could also be dealing with a Pisces. Jack. I hear Jack. They don't want to argue with you either, Sagittarius, because it makes them really sad. They want to be with you. They miss you. I'm hearing, I hate arguing with you. I hate arguing with you, but I love you. But why do I feel like, yeah, King of Swords. It's like they say that and then they're cold after they say it. Like, you know, like, I don't know. It's almost like a punishing energy. Like they want to get you back into their energy so they can just turn right back around and be a little biatch. Tell me about the Seven of Wands and the Five of Wands. This person's very combative. Very. They want to fight. It's almost like they look for every reason to fight. God, that's horrible. Is this person always ending it with you too? It's over. I'm done. Oh, okay. Possibly over the stupidest shit. Yeah, Ace of Swords in the reverse. I mean, if you're cheating on them or, you know, disrespecting them, that could be the, you know, that could be the case why somebody, you know what I mean? But it's just like this person has anger issues and they're always ending things. It's like they're always looking for a reason to end it. Or they're always looking for a reason to fight with you. And then they're like, okay, I'm done. I also feel like they do things behind the scenes that could cause an ending. And they self-sabotage themselves. Tell me about the Knight of Coins and the Nine of Swords in the reverse. But the Nine of Coins is upright. Oh, so this person, I think I'm hearing get rich schemes. They're always trying to get rich fast scams, you know? They're always trying new things like that. They're always in financial repair. Credit repair. Get rich quick schemes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's like they're always trying new things to make more money or to invest into things, but they're always needing financial repair because it's get quick rich schemes here. This is what I'm hearing. And it leaves them stuck because, oh my God, I'm not even gonna lie. Ace of Swords again in the reverse. It leaves them in chaos. They're like, oh, that didn't work. Oh, that didn't work. That's interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Let's clarify some things. Let's clarify. So why do they do this? Why do they do this punishment energy? Why the Two of Cups for this person? Why the Two of Cups for this person? Yeah, they're very unpredictable. That's definitely... Ooh. We have the King of Queen of Cups here. So, we have divine pair. We have Two of Cups. They definitely love you, but they're so unpredictable. Like, it's like one day they love you and the next day they don't. I mean, is that love? But maybe that's how they were taught to love. I'm not sure. But they're stuck in that energy. Why are they so combative? Always looking for reasons to start arguments. I'm also hearing like they feel, I'm not saying you don't, but they feel like you don't give them enough attention. So they look for attention elsewhere. Judgment and justice. Okay, there could be a divorce here. Give me one more. They think that if they treat you like this, then things are going to get better. It doesn't make any sense. Make it make sense. So this is after tarot deck. So this is the Justice card that we have right here. And Justice, you know, is like, yeah, all right, I got what I needed. I got what I did. And usually Justice is like, you know, worked in their favor. So what they asked for worked in their favor. But now they're like, what did I do? What have I done? Well, be careful what you ask for. Tell me about these get quick rich schemes here. God, yeah, this person's always in financial repair. Tell me more about that. And they're not done. They're not done. They're yeah. Like they always see something like, oh my God, I can do. It's like a gambling problem almost. They feel that I know I can make money off of that. I know I can make money off of that. I know I can make money off of that. I know I can make money off of that. And they just go for it. But yeah, but it always flops with the 8 of Wands in the reverse. It always goes into ruins. 10 of Cups in the reverse. And I think it makes everybody unhappy. This person has a problem. Okay, so what is the advice for, what's the advice for Sagittarius? Oh, wow. Wow. 7 of Swords. You need to be more strategic in going forward. I'm not sure why, but anything that don't invest into anything that you are not, you need to use your discernment, because if you go any further with this person, if this hasn't happened already, you could, I'm hearing losing retirement, losing everything, losing longevity when it comes to money. So you really need to be strategic in where you invest in and what you invest in. Anything else? Including this person? What are you afraid to release? Why is the Death card here in reverse? Yeah, I just said, and who you invest in, this person doesn't want to release you. This person wants to come back. They're not telling you that, though. You could be dealing with a Virgo, a Scorpio. Like I said earlier, Aries. We'll just leave it down there. They're looking to find ways for a brand new start. Let's leave everything in the past, Sagittarius. We need a brand new start with the Hierophant. Maybe they want to go to therapy. Possible church. Is there anything new coming in for Sagittarius? We have the Knight of Pentacles. Five of Swords. God, I think somebody's coming in here with a brand new idea about investing into something, but they're conflicted about it themselves. So maybe it's this person. Two of Cups, I think it is. Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. This person is very selfish. Two of Swords. The bottom of the deck, they're stuck. Eight of Cups in the reverse. Yep, it's this person that wants to return. So, Nine of Swords in the reverse. They want to repair this. Just like their financial repair. But it's not going to change. Let's see. Has this person changed for Sagittarius? They have another idea. I'm sorry, y'all. They have another financial idea. They have another... Absolutely not. We have the Star card in the reverse and the Seven of Wands in the challenge position. They're still... No. They gave up on healing. That is not good. King of Pentacles in the reverse. That is very greedy. Sagittarius, that is what I have for you. I hope it helped. I hope it resonated. If it did, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe. I will see you again soon. Stay blessed.